Hey guys, it's Mad Chen here. I hope you're all doing well. Do you struggle in how to make perfect squares in Procreate? I'll show you two methods in how to create perfect squares. You'll want to stay until the end of the video since I'll do a comparison of the two methods to see which perfect squares are the best ones to use for your projects. Welcome back, guys. For the first method, we're going to draw a square like so, and when you've closed your shape, hold your pen in place for a few seconds so that we can get a basic square shape. Then we'll click on editing up here, then click on the square tab to turn our shape into a perfect square. If you're enjoying the content so far, you can give this video a like and comment below to let me know if this is helpful. If you have any problems, you can also leave your questions down below. Now let's get back to the tutorial. For the second method, we'll draw a square like so. Once I close my shape, I'm going to hold my pen in place for a few seconds so that we can get a basic square shape. Then I'll use a finger from my other hand to tap on the screen, which will turn our shape into a perfect square. When you're happy, just lift your pen and finger off the screen. As we spoke about earlier, here's a comparison of the two methods. I've zoomed each one to 200% to make it easier for you to compare. Each one of these methods are useful, however, the square that you choose to use will depend on your project. Here's another comparison where each of the methods have been zoomed to 400%. I hope these comparisons will help you decide which square to use. Thanks for watching, guys. Now you know how to make a perfect square in Procreate. You can also learn more about Procreate by watching my other tutorials, which I'll leave a link above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next Procreate tutorial.